Good morning.
Good morning.
It is a beautiful day here in South Florida.
It's a little hot and sticky.
It's not that bad.
A little bit.
Out for a quick morning walk and then we are headed over to the show.
Yeah, so the show officially opens today, so we'll head over, check out the tents, the booth, make sure everything's looking great and help out a little bit, and then take you on a tour of some pretty awesome boats. So it should be a good day.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
This one's kind of cool because it has a really nice galley in the back. The galley passes through to the after deck.
Oh, it goes even farther?
This is the master stateroom.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
The master suites. That's me.
You guys appreciate
Bye,
it.
Joe.
We're leaving.
See ya.
This way?
All right, long day at the show. Almost wrapped up.
It has been a long day. We got a little rain, a lot of sun. It was pretty hot.
Pretty hot.
Saw some pretty nice boats, and I think we had a good turnout today. So overall, success.
I would say it's a success as well. Time for dinner.
Time for dinner.
All right, CJ, how was it?
Very good. Plate is done.
Valerie, the Waffle House, first time.
It was great. Happy I won.
Okay, we're starting with it facing me. So here's the question: who's driving is better, CJ or Valerie?
Me or Valerie?
I mean, Mike or Valerie. Well, who's the best? Who's driving?
Who's the best?
Valerie hasn't driven us anywhere yet. So we don't
Valerie
know.
hasn't driven. Okay.
So therefore, I'm the best.
I will say Mike took a pretty aggressive turn.
That last turn, that was bad.
Pretty
We got
assertive turn on our way
forgot
to the
how
Pizza Hut that we
terribly
didn't end up going to.
accelerated.
That made me a little nervous. So Valley has yet to make me nervous.
but she has one chance tonight to not make me nervous. So we'll see how that works.
That was bad.
That was bad. Admission.
Okay. That's it for the Waffle House.
Valerie's driving?
Yep.
They got tired of Mike? Or?